Quiz lovers, welcome to our new quiz. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss content like this. Let's get started. What is the birth name of the girl known as 11? The correct answer is A, Jane Ives. In what year does the first season story begin? The correct answer is B, 1983. Where did the Soviets build their secret base in Season 3? The correct answer is C, the mole. How many kids are in the original Dungeons & Dragons party? The correct answer is D, 4. Which arcade game does Max use to beat the high score? The correct answer is A, Dig Dug. Who was the first victim of Vecna in the 4th season? The correct answer is B, Chrissy Cunningham. What is the name of the spider-like shadow monster? The correct answer is C, Mind Flayer. Which song saves Max from the clutches of Vecna? The correct answer is D, Running Up That Hill. In which state is the fictional town of Hawkins located? The correct answer is A, Indiana. What is the name of the ice cream shop in the mall? The correct answer is B, Scoops Ahoy. How many pounds of salt were used for the sensory tank? The correct answer is C, 1,500. Who created the Hellfire Club at Hawkins High School? The correct answer is D, Eddie Munson. What is the name of the pet creature Dustin finds? The correct answer is A, Dart. Which brand of frozen waffles is the favorite snack of 11? The correct answer is B, Eggo. At which shop does Joyce Byers work in Season 1? The correct answer is C, Melvold's General Store. Which game monster name is used for the first creature? The correct answer is D, Demogorgon. In Season 4, what is the name of the mental hospital? The correct answer is A, Penhurst. Who is the younger sister of Lucas Sinclair? The correct answer is B, Erica. What do the characters call the portal to the other world? The correct answer is C, the gate. Which character disappearance triggers the events of Season 1? The correct answer is D, Will Byers. Thank you for participating. See you in the next quiz.